Sustainable urban development focuses on creating cities and communities that meet the needs of current generations without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It involves integrating environmental, social, and economic considerations to foster resilient, inclusive, and livable urban environments. Here's how to create livable cities through sustainable urban development. Compact and mixed-use development. Promote compact and mixed-use development patterns that minimize urban sprawl, reduce car dependency, and enhance walkability and accessibility. Design neighborhoods that integrate residential, commercial, and recreational spaces to encourage active transportation, social interaction, and community cohesion. Transit-oriented development, TOD. Prioritize transit-oriented development around public transportation hubs such as train stations, bus terminals, and light rail stops. Create vibrant, pedestrian-friendly neighborhoods with easy access to public transit, biking infrastructure, and shared mobility options to reduce reliance on private vehicles and alleviate traffic congestion. Green and blue infrastructure. Incorporate green spaces, parks, urban forests, and blue infrastructure such as rivers, lakes, and waterfronts into urban planning and design. Create interconnected networks of green and blue infrastructure that provide ecosystem services, enhance biodiversity, and improve air and water quality while promoting recreational opportunities and cultural amenities. Sustainable buildings and infrastructure. Encourage sustainable building practices and green building standards to minimize energy consumption, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and enhance resilience to climate change. Implement green building codes, energy efficiency standards, and renewable energy technologies to promote environmentally friendly and resource-efficient buildings and infrastructure. Affordable and inclusive housing. Ensure access to affordable, safe, and decent housing for all residents, including low-income families, seniors, and vulnerable populations. Implement inclusive housing policies, affordable housing incentives, and mixed-income developments to address housing affordability and promote social equity and inclusion. Community engagement and participation. Engage residents, stakeholders, and community organizations in the urban planning process to ensure that development decisions reflect the needs and priorities of local communities. Foster participatory decision-making, public consultation, and collaboration to build trust, transparency, and social cohesion. Economic diversification and local employment. Foster economic diversification, innovation, and entrepreneurship to create vibrant, resilient local economies. Support small businesses, creative industries, and social enterprises that contribute to job creation, economic growth, and community vitality. Promote local sourcing, circular economy initiatives, and sustainable procurement practices to strengthen local supply chains and reduce environmental impact. Social infrastructure and services. Invest in social infrastructure and services such as healthcare, education, childcare, and community facilities to support human development, well-being, and social inclusion. Provide equitable access to essential services and amenities for residents of all ages, abilities, and socioeconomic backgrounds to ensure a high quality of life for everyone. Climate resilience and adaptation. Build climate resilience and adaptive capacity to mitigate the impacts of climate change and extreme weather events. Implement green infrastructure solutions, floodplain management strategies, and coastal protection measures to reduce vulnerability to natural hazards and enhance urban resilience. Smart and sustainable technologies. Harness the power of technology and innovation to enhance urban sustainability and improve quality of life. Implement smart city solutions, digital infrastructure, and data-driven decision-making tools to optimize resource efficiency, enhance mobility, and improve service delivery while minimizing environmental impact and maximizing social benefits. By embracing sustainable urban development principles and adopting holistic approaches to city planning and design, cities can create livable, resilient, and inclusive urban environments that promote environmental sustainability, social equity, and economic prosperity for all residents now and in the future.